Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee using a Moka pot. First, fill the Moka pot's lower chamber with cold water, ensuring it reaches just below the safety valve. Next, grind your fresh coffee beans to a medium-fine consistency, similar to table salt. Finally, insert the filter basket securely into the lower water chamber. This preparation ensures a great start to your brew. Now, carefully add the ground coffee into the filter basket, creating a level surface without pressing it down. It's crucial not to tamp the coffee, as this can restrict water flow and affect extraction. Once the coffee is in place, securely screw the upper and lower chambers of the Moka pot together, ensuring a tight seal to prevent steam from escaping. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere, perhaps even while sipping your freshly brewed Moka pot coffee. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Place your assembled Moka pot on a stovetop burner over medium-low heat. Keep an eye on it. As the water heats, pressure builds, forcing coffee up through the spout. You'll hear a gentle gurgling sound as the coffee begins to fill the upper chamber. Once the upper chamber is nearly full and you hear a sputtering sound, promptly remove the pot from the heat. Your delicious Moka pot coffee is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the rich, aromatic brew into your favorite mug. For the best taste and longevity of your Moka pot, remember to clean it thoroughly after each use with warm water and no soap. Always allow the pot to cool completely before disassembling and washing.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.